Having trouble seeing your latest DoorDash earnings? There are three main reasons why your earnings might not be updating correctly. Sync issues happen when the app can't properly communicate with DoorDash's servers, often due to a weak internet connection or a bug in the app. Server issues occur on DoorDash's end, usually during peak hours or maintenance. Finally, the app cache, temporary data stored on your phone, can become corrupted, leading to outdated information being displayed. DoorDash rolled out an update version 4.112 to fix these syncing delays, but sometimes problems still occur. Let's walk through some quick fixes. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Next, clear the DoorDash app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, DoorDash, Storage, Clear Cache. On iOS, you might need to offload or reinstall the app. Force sync your data by logging out and back into the app. If the problem persists, check DoorDash's status page at status.doordash.com to see if there are any known server outages. As a last resort, contact DoorDash support. They may need to investigate further. Also, make sure your app is updated to the newest version.